Hello everyone. Now I am discussing about master and slave D flip-flop. In that circuit I can use two past transistor, T1 past transistor, T2 past transistor, and two memories, memory 1, memory 2. Okay. When I am giving clock 0 means low signal, clock 1 means high signal, T1 past transistor will on, T2 past transistor is off. When high signal means T1 past transistor off, T2 past transistor on. Now we'll enter into operation part. Okay. Here I am giving clock 0 means clock low signal as a input. Whatever I will give the input, here pass the values into memory. In that memory, it stored the input value with inverted values. Whatever I am give the input, here it will inverted and it stored up to T2 transistor. When I am giving high signal, high means clock 1. I am giving clock 1 signal means T1 pass transistor is off condition, T2 pass transistor is conduction mode. T2 pass I am giving high, T2 pass transistor is on, it's conducting. It will take here the input T1 pass transistor output as a complement. Here it's passed that value into the memory. Here that input will inverted into a whole complement, and it inverted and it will store it. Again will get A. Whatever will give the input, it will get same value as the output. Output A. At T1 pass transistor, it will change the output at every negative cycle. That's why it is called as a master. In T2 pass transistor, it will any value, either positive cycle or negative cycle, it will get same output. That's why it is called as a slave. Every negative cycle, it will change the output. It will not change. It will getting only same output. In whole circuit it will act as a switch. When switch off means it will getting different outputs. Switch open means it will not getting any value. Okay. When clock low means 0, clock high means 1. Whatever will change the clock signal. Clock 0 means T1 on condition. T1 on means T1 pass transistor is conducting state, T2 pass transistor is off state. High T1 off, T2 on means T1 off, T2 will conducting state. Now we'll enter into waveform. Okay, all of us know this was the clock signal. This is the input signal. Whatever will give the input, that one. This is the output signal. Okay, clock 0. Clock 0 means low. Clock 0 means low. Low will give input. It will the same. Clock 0 to 1, it will change. It will invert it. It will low to high. It will trigger positive trigger. That time will get both outputs, master and as well as a slave output. Why? Here low to high means low. Will getting low means it will conducting. T1 pass transistor low means it will on. It will conducting that output as it will get. That T1 output will give to the TT input. That's why here it's triggering low to high. That rising time will get both master and as well as a slave output. Here it's falling down means negative triggering. Here negative triggering means we'll get only slave, means it 1 to 0. 1 to 0 means here 1 means T1 pass transistor will off. T1 pass transistor off, high 1 means it will already we know that switch open means will not get any value in master side. T2 only will get T2 value as output. It will off state na. That's why we'll get only in slave output. That's why here only we'll get slave output in whole. Again it's low means it's master. Only T1 past transistor will conduct. Rising time means both will conduct. Every negative cycle means it will change the output in masters. In slave, all of us it's getting whole signal in same output. It was the whole master and slave D flip-flop. It holds depend upon this truth table. Whatever will give the clock signal, it will low or high in that conducting state. Thank you.